One of the things you just touched on, and I saw in one of your other presentations, is something called a tech fee that is included in the price of seed, if I'm not correct, right? When you buy GMO products. Can you explain exactly what that is? And it might help answer, I think, some motivation of the companies that are selling these products.
The technology fee today is incorporated in with the price of the seed. I started selling seed corn in 1984, so I had a lot of years experience with that before we had to deal with the tech fees. And when once the BT and the CRW and the herbicide tolerance, BT is for corn borer, CRW was for rootworm, and herbicide tolerance would be glyphosate or glufosinate tolerance. Once those three came together, then we were seeing the tech fees at about $150 a bag. The cost of the seed was $100 a bag. And I would, the farmers would say, well, the ones that were thinking and not looking at this thing euphorically, they'd say, that don't pencil. Mm-hmm. And I said, well, let's say they do a really good job of dotting their I's and crossing their T's and running their business, and this $100 bag of seed, they got a 3 to 5% net return on investment. So that's $3 to $5 a bag. Mm-hmm. Now let's look at the $150 tech fee. It's safe to presume there's maybe a 50 or 75% margin in that side of the equation. Which road do you think they're going to take? If they can make $3 to $5 a bag, or $50 to $75 clear profit a bag. And when you implement that in a broad scale way, that puts a lot of money in the coffer to be able to tell whatever story they wish to tell. It's their story. They can tell it any way they want to. Truth may or may not be a part of that equation.